Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab E10 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on the search bar at the top. Following that, type in emergency and tap on emergency contacts right away. Now you can click on add contact and click on the one that you wish to add. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. In order to delete one of them, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!